The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the iPhone XS Verizon Prepaid. So the iPhone XS is now finally at Verizon Prepaid, so that is pretty cool for those of you who are interested in this phone. So there's the iPhone XS right there in front of you. Big phone, has the knots on there, of course, you know. So yeah, that's what the phone looks like. You guys can get it in 3 colors. You guys can get it in space gray, silver, or gold, and you guys have an option to get it in 3 storage options: 64, 256, or 512 GB. The 64 GB iPhone XS is $999.99, 256 GB, $1149.99, 512 GB, $1349. Alright, so keep that in mind. So yeah, that's the phone right there. Like I said, you guys have screen there. You have your knots up here, camera, the earpiece. You have a power button on the right side, volume button on the left side, and your sound key right there. Just front of it again, the right side has your power button. The camera does stick out a little bit there, so to keep that in mind. And on the back of the iPhone XS, you guys have dual cameras, camera flash, Apple logo, and your iPhone branding right there. So yeah, so it says here, welcome to the big screen, Super Retina, even faster Face ID, the smartest, most powerful chip ever in a smartphone, and a breakthrough dual camera system. iPhone XS Prepaid is everything you love about iPhone, taken to the extreme. Comes in silver, gold, and space gray colors. Get the most out of your iPhone XS with Verizon, the largest and most reliable 4G LTE network ever. So the iPhone XS has 12 hours of usage time, 12 megapixel dual cameras on back, 2.79 inches width and 5.65 inches height, Super Retina, and big and bigger. The custom 5.8 inch OLED display on iPhone XS delivers the most accurate color in the industry, HDR and true blacks. All screen makes the difference. See how much more you want. See how much more room you'll have to do. See how much more room you'll have for everything you love to do. Exceptional materials. The most durable glass ever in a smartphone. A beautiful new gold finish achieved with an atomic level process, precision machine, surgical grade, stainless steel bands, and a new level of water and dust resistance. So that's pretty nice. Wireless charging. The glass back allows iPhone XS to charge wirelessly, and it charges even faster than iPhone X. Advanced Face ID. Security is simple. When your face is your password, you can unlock your iPhone, log into apps, and pay for things with a glance. It's the most secure facial recognition ever in a smartphone, and now it's even faster. Intelligent A12 Bionic. This is the smartest, most powerful chip in a smartphone, with Apple's next generation neutral engine for amazing augmented reality experiences, incredible portrait with depth control and speed and fluidity in everything you do. Breakthrough dual camera system. The world's most popular camera is defining a new era of photography, where an innovative sensor works with the ISP and neutral engine to help you create photos like never before. Smart HDR. New secondary frames, a faster sensor, and the powerful A12 Bionic chip brings more highlight and shadows detail to your photos. Larger and deeper pixels. A new sensor creates better image fidelity, greater color accuracy, reduced noise in low light shots, enhanced bokeh effect. Portrait mode photos look even more professional thanks to a sophisticated background blur. All new depth control. Now you can control the depth of field in portraits after you shoot. True depth in dual 12 megapixel cameras Capture your world using dual 12-megapixel rear cameras with f1.8 wide-angle lens and 2x faster sensor for smart HDR across your photos, or recording 60 frames per second over the true-depth camera's f2.2 wide-angle lens. Right? And this iPhone XS delivers Gigabit class LTE for super fast download speeds and up to 500 GB of storage, making this Apple's highest capacity iPhone yet. The specs on the iPhone XS, as you guys know what they are, it has LTE Advanced from Verizon, which 50% faster peak speeds and more than 456 from coast to coast. It's a world device, so you guys can use it in over 200 countries. Depending on what plan you have, usage time 12 hours. Camera is 12 megapixel dual on the back and 7 megapixels on the front. The iPhone XS weighs 6.24 ounces. The width is 2.79 inches. The height is 5.65 inches. The depth is 0.30 inches. The screen size is 5.8 inches. OLED multi-touch display there. Lithium-ion battery, iOS 12 of course. Available in 3 colors: space gray, silver, and gold. 3 storage options, obviously 64 gig, 256 gig, or 512 gig. You guys have all this network there. Has Wi-Fi, 802.11 AC Wi-Fi, and all that. HD voice, of course. Explains AC voice and simultaneous voice and data. Enable Wi-Fi calling and make calls anywhere you have a Wi-Fi connection. Available on iOS 9.3 and greater. If you guys need help with your iPhone XS, y'all guys can check out the device support from Verizon, and you guys will get help on how to learn. Y'all guys will get help on how to use the iPhone XS and learn how to use different features and settings on the phone and stuff like that. So that is it one. So there it is, guys. iPhone XS available at Verizon Prepaid. So available in 3 storage options and 3 colors. So yeah, so check that out, guys. So there it is, iPhone XS on Verizon Prepaid. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it helps me out a lot. Peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thanks very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.